Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back again to my channels. In today's video guys, I have a unboxing to you. It is from YSL Saint Laurent. It's been a while I didn't have unboxing from this company, from this brand. The last time I had it was 2019. That was I got that Toy Lulu bag in Italy, and since then I never seen anything I like. As you know that I sold my YSL Toy Lulu bag. I never used that much, and you know what? I seen these items so many times, and I check on Instagram and YouTube, and yeah, and then I guess it is a best deal to get this. And the color I wanted, it's been sold out for months. I've been waiting and always keep checking notify me if they have another stock. And then when I receive a notification that it's back in stock, and I wasn't here at home, I was on a holiday, and so I can't do that because I don't want to buy something. I was using Wi-Fi in the hotel, so I wait until we got home. So I said I just ignore. I don't really need that much. So since when I check again on the website, I see that it's back in stock. So there it is, guys. It's really huge box in here. The good thing about YSL, because they send you this shopping bag as well, which is all the time. They always do that. This is the second item that I purchased from them. Let me move this, guys, because the box is way too... Oh my god, I got so much boxes everywhere in here. Oh my goodness me. Anyway, so this is a receipt, and I asked for a blank card. Hey guys, so cute. I always ask, actually I write it down because sometimes they won't give you a blank back. You have to write it down. So yeah, I just write down something in here. So there she is, and then they always like a plain black. So guys, there she is. This is not a bag, because as you know that I did ending up sold my as I mentioned that I sold my YSL Toy Lolo bag, and I want something like small leather goods because my what's the name, my card holder, I never use that much at all. So I don't know what's going on with me with YSL. I didn't I hopefully this one I will use this much, hopefully. Oh my god guys, I'm struggling to remove this. So yeah, I'm hopefully that I can use this much, or else it's gonna waste again. This is what happened to me. And yeah, the box is plain black. Packaging as well, they're all black. Even the packaging has the name Saint Laurent. I'll just take this out in here. Can you guess, guys, what it is in here? So probably you know the sizing of this. So this is... Dun, 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 dun. There you go. This is a monogram clutch. The color is dark natural. I've been wanting this so much in this color, and yeah, and then it always sold out. This is a gold hardware. Oh my god, it's beautiful. I really love the YSL logo, the way they put in there. This is, oh, really love. This is really beautiful. And I saw an Instagram with a male in Melbourne that she turned into this a crossbody bag, or a bag. So I'm gonna get that bag insert or pouch insert for this. So I want to make sure before I buy anything else, I want to get that one. I do have an insert from my Kiragami, but I will try that one, guys. This is their probably their authenticity card. I keep all this authenticity card that they have. Oh my god, I really love this color. And even the stamping is Saint Laurent in gold hardware as well. And it actually doesn't have a compartment at all, just only one open compartment. That's it. There's no like a card holder or something like that to put on. So yeah, I really love the color. It's like you can use as a clutch, and this one has a wristlet, by the way. So this is the wristlet. I don't want to remove it, just leave it in here for now. So yeah, I will try to get my insert from my kirigami. So guys, I'll be right back. So guys, this is my kirigami in here. I never used this much at all. I mean, I was planning to sell this one because for some reason I never used it. This too, I never used this much since I got it. Look at this. Still look cute. By the way, the insert is not in here. It's from my in my other pouch, which is it's in this in here, in my Dior vintage clutch. So here is the strap. I mean, here's the bag insert I was talking about. I really love this one. I did a comparison with those two, guys. Really love it. And like I said, these two I never used this much because since the pandemic happened, we didn't go out much. And then since I have few evening bags now, so yeah, I didn't use this two all the time. Anyway, so this is the bag insert that I got from AliExpress. I will try if it's fit in here. I mean, it looks like it's not fit at all, but I'll try because this one has a you can use add a strap as well. So let's see, guys, if it does really fit in this. Hopefully, oops, drop it up. Hopefully it will be fit though, because or else I have to buy a new one. No, oh no, no, it won't fit. Too bad. I was hoping it will fit this. Anyway, it doesn't fit, but I will try the my toiletry pouch 19. I don't know if it fits. That's my toiletry pouch 19. I want to remove this one over here. Oh my god. Actually, I got this one in Amazon when Miss Irene suggests this. I just like, oh my god, that's a good idea. So let's set aside for that. And this is really small. I just want to try, guys, or else I'll just buy a new one from other hopefully I can find in Amazon. It won't fit at all because it was so bulky like this. So yeah, it stretched out the bag, and I don't like, yeah, if I keep this one, I rather buy a new strap. And I love how it's stitching over this right here instead of just like attached with the glue. So yeah, oh my god, I adore this color. It's like my first caramel bag. Well, I do have Louis Vuitton, and this is like a caramel, but this one, it's more like a beautiful caramel color. I mean, I no wonder why everybody just love this color, especially Chanel. And I was surprised it doesn't have a sticker to protect the hardware at all. Yeah, it's a beautiful. Maybe I will use this tonight, but I was thinking I'm gonna look for a strap for this. I mean, bag inserts. I'll make sure, guys, hold on. If one single details, always check if this bag or is this pouch is no damage at all. And this is actually made in, it's really hard to, they have a stamp in there, made in something, but I'm not sure it's made in Italy or France. Strange. It's just right here, the right thing, they just stamp. And then yeah, it's just really plain. I wish it was had like a, you know, 2-card compartment in here somewhere. I don't know if this is a return because I seen that they have a a glue come out in this one. Anyway guys, I will do another video of this for what fits and also how to do a instant bag for this. So there you go guys, that's it for my video today and for my unboxing, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.